Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of fintech, specifically a challenger bank called Vivid Money. But before we jump in, let's ask the question, are you tired of traditional banks? Feeling like they nickel and dime you with hidden fees, offer lackluster rewards, and leave you frustrated with clunky interfaces? Well, buckle up, because Vivid Money promises to be different. They claim to be a bank that actually rewards you for spending. But is it too good to be true? Let's dissect Vivid Money and see if it lives up to the hype. What is Vivid Money? Vivid Money is a European neobank, meaning it operates entirely online and through a mobile app. Launched in 2019, they've gained traction with their focus on cashback rewards and a sleek, user-friendly interface. Unlike traditional banks with physical branches, Vivid Money operates through partnerships. They essentially partner with licensed institutions to provide the core banking functionalities. Who is behind Vivid Money? There are actually two key players here. Vivid Money GmbH acts as the face of the brand, managing the app and user experience. However, the actual banking license and account infrastructure is provided by Solaris SE, a German company with a full European banking license. This partnership allows Vivid Money to focus on the user experience while ensuring regulatory compliance. So, Vivid Money isn't technically a bank. That's a great question. While Vivid Money doesn't hold a banking license itself, they partner with a licensed institution, Solaris SE, to offer core banking services like holding your deposits and issuing your debit card. This is a common setup for many neobanks, allowing them to be more agile and innovative. Alright, but what makes Vivid Money stand out? Here's where things get interesting. Vivid Money boasts a three-pronged approach. Cashback rewards, this is their bread and butter. Vivid Money offers cashback on purchases made with their debit card at partnered retailers. Think discounts on your daily coffee run, groceries, or streaming services. The exact cashback percentage varies depending on the retailer and your account plan. They offer free and premium tiers. Investing made easy, Vivid Money integrates stock and ETF, exchange-traded fund, trading right within their app. This allows you to seamlessly invest alongside your everyday banking activities. While some traditional banks offer investment options, it's often a separate process with a different interface. Vivid Money aims to simplify investing for beginners. Metal debit card, with a free plan, this might seem like a small perk, but it's a nice touch. Vivid Money offers a sleek metal debit card, even with their free basic plan. Metal cards are typically associated with premium bank accounts in traditional banks, so this adds a touch of exclusivity. Sounds great, but what's the catch? As with any financial product, there are always things to consider. Limited availability. Currently, Vivid Money operates primarily in Europe, with availability in countries like Germany, France, Spain, and Italy. They're expanding, but there's no guarantee when they'll be available in your region. Reliance on partnerships. While partnerships allow for innovation, they also introduce an element of dependence. The success of Vivid Money ultimately relies on maintaining strong partnerships with institutions like Solaris SE. Any disruptions in these partnerships could impact user experience. Investing carries risk. While Vivid Money simplifies investing, it's crucial to remember that all investments carry inherent risk. Do your research and understand your risk tolerance before putting your money into stocks or ETFs. Final verdict, is Vivid Money worth it? There's no one-size-fits-all answer. Vivid Money shines for those seeking a user-friendly banking experience with cashback rewards and easy access to investing. However, their limited availability and reliance on partnerships might be drawbacks for some. Here's my recommendation. If you're in a region with Vivid Money and are looking for a fresh take on banking, it's definitely worth checking out. Their free plan allows you to try their core features without commitment. Just remember to do your due diligence and understand the risks involved, especially when it comes to investing. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.